All right, we're at the entrance of IKEA Schaumburg, and we've got two elevators here. We've got one with the world's tallest call button, and the glass one that just went up.
Something tells me this is the original.
Yeah, this was the first one.
Got a shock this hasn't gotten modded.
The other one's sitting there waiting for you. So now we'll ride the glass one. There's the buttons over there. Send us up to 3.
This thing is cool.
Nope, it's gonna sit there.
And that's it.
Are we getting a bonus ride now?
I'm gonna go back.
Well, we're gonna get a bonus ride with... Watch out this side.
This is cool. They actually spent the money to put this in.
All right, well,
Do the magic beads now.
I guess that's it. Actually, I think it'll go down. Let's see if it does. Yep, there it goes. Montgomery KONE. See it on the top. All right, well, now Jacob's gonna explore the store, which we're not gonna show that, but that's it.